The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Doylestown, or 18 miles west of Trenton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Doylestown, Byram, Chalfont, Tinicum, New Hope, Fronttown, Stockton, Sargentville, Pipersville, Rowena, Gardenville, Lumberville, Sandbrook, Lombardville, New Britain and Brittany Farms Highlands. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.